Do you want to attract more views and subscribers to YouTube videos and grow your YouTube channel? In this video, I outline 10 YouTube audience growth strategies so your content can reach more people. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Number 1, target the right audience. The goal for your video should be to provide solutions for the problems that your audience wants answers for. One of the best ways to do this is with keyword research. For instance, if you enter your main topic in the YouTube search bar, you'll get a bunch of suggestions of what people are searching on. This is like reading the minds of your audience. If you have the Keywords Everywhere extension installed, you'll be able to see the search volume right there in the browser. If you want to save time on keyword research, I highly recommend using the TubeBuddy Chrome extension tool. I'll place a link in the card on how to do keyword research using the TubeBuddy keyword research tool. After you've done your keyword research, check out the competition on YouTube and look at the videos that are getting tons of views. For instance, if you see small channels that are getting thousands of views on their videos, you know that there's a great search term to go after. Number 2, create an engaging video. One of the biggest ranking factors on YouTube is audience retention. This means if you can keep people watching all the way through your video, there's a better chance of your video ranking in the search engines and YouTube suggested videos. One way to do this is to start your video with a strong hook, such as asking a question or teasing them at the beginning. After that, reinforce your introduction by providing the meat of the content. Ideally, you want to provide the solutions to the problems of your audience. You can increase the engagement of your video by resetting the attention of your viewers using B-roll. Number 3, create a clickable thumbnail. If nobody clicks on the thumbnail, they're not going to watch your video. Also, make sure that your thumbnail stands out from your competitors' thumbnails. You can use a face, bold text, and contrasting colors. If more people click on your thumbnail than your competitors' thumbnails, your video will be promoted in the search engines. Number 4, create an optimized title that satisfies the search engines and the viewers. Ideally, you want to include your keyword phrase in your title and also an emotional trigger that captures the attention of your viewers. It should also reinforce the thumbnail that they clicked on. Number 5, your video description should summarize the content of your video. The first 3 lines is what people see immediately under your video, so make sure that that encapsulates the content of your video. If you want to redirect people to a URL or a landing page, include that full URL in the first 3 lines. Number 6, include relevant tags. YouTube says that tags are not so important for the ranking of your videos, but you still want to include tags that are relevant to the content of your video. Therefore, make sure you add your title in the first tag, add related keywords in other tags, then finish off with more broader tags. All of them should be totally relevant to the content of your video. Number 7, upload your video as unlisted. When you upload your video as unlisted, you can pin a comment to the top of your comments. This could be a question or a link to a video or playlist. So when people go to leave a comment, they'll see your comment at the top of the comments. When you upload your video as unlisted, you'll also be able to see if there's any monetization issues. At this stage, you can also add your cards and end screens that link to a different video or playlist. So number 8, you want to link your video to a related video or playlist in the cards and end screens. The best link is a playlist that contains related videos to the one they've just watched. Keep in mind that linking to a playlist will increase the watch time of your videos and improve the probability of them being found in the search engines. This will motivate the viewer to binge watch successive videos in a row. When you get a high audience retention and a lot of watch time by people watching successive videos, your videos will appear more often in the search engines. Number 9, promote your video on social media sites. After you've optimized and published your video, your work has just begun. You at least want to promote your video to the social media sites in the share buttons under your video. This will expose your content to different audiences rather than YouTube. Make sure you engage with the viewers in the comments, especially in the first 24 to 48 hours, because the view velocity of your video helps promote it in the search engines. If your video gets a lot of views in the first 24 to 48 hours, it signals to YouTube that they've got to surface this video to more people. Therefore, it will be promoted more in the suggested videos, which appear on the right side of the people's watch page. Number 10, repurpose your video content so you can reach larger audiences. Did you know that you can convert your transcript to a blog post and post it on your website or blog. You also want to embed your video on your website or blog. Over time, your video will also rank in the Google search engines. This means you'll get traffic from both Google and YouTube, which is a great thing. If you want to know multiple ways to repurpose your video content, click the link in the card. Here's a bonus tip. Track your video performance via YouTube Analytics. Particularly want to look at the click-through rate and your audience retention. If you get a high click-through rate, that means many people are clicking on your thumbnails and watching your video. If you get a high audience retention and watch time, this means that many people are staying engaged throughout your video and watching more of successive videos. Oh, let me ask you a question. What strategy have you used that has been the most effective for growing your YouTube channel? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. I just thought of a couple of other strategies to grow your audience on YouTube. Why not do collaborations with other YouTubers in your niche? You can then cross-pollinate the information that you share with each other. The information you share may be beneficial to the other creator, and vice versa. Another strategy is to go live on YouTube. Going live is a great way to get a lot of watch time and to connect live with your viewers and subscribers. You also don't have to do any editing, and you may come across more natural than a scripted video. Give it a try. If you want more tips and strategies about how to go live on YouTube, watch my next video. You'll learn the exact strategies that I use to go live with my audience every week on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.